Hello everyone, it's a nice day today. I'm so happy to introduce my favorite products, the bag. It's EVA, very soft material, soft touch, like baby skin. I love it very much. And this is very friendly material, no any toxic. We have a test report. Here is EN71 is a heavy metal, and here is C-TPAT and facility free all pass. It's new one April in this year, our company. So this is very friendly material for every people, even kids. And we have different sizes. Here we have DL, A6, A5, and A4. Of course, we can do much more size, such as A3, A2, and A1. For these products, I think many people focus on quality. The quality is the main issue. Let me show you. We stitch here, here, and here by automatic machine. You can see here very neat and smooth. And the end of the thread, very clean and neat. And a smooth zipper with rope and header. Now let me show you the colors. These are pastel colors: green, purple, pink, yellow, and blue. It's very popular in all over the world. And also we can do basic colors such as blue, red, green, pink, or black. 10 colors came for your choice. And packing, special packing. Here we have plastic label with header. You can hang in there with Europe hole, setting like this. This product can help you organize many of things. How? Let me show you. A6. This is my favorite size. I can put key, lipstick, charger. Nice. And I can put on my bag to keep my bag very clean. Next one, DL size. I can put pens, tape, name card. Perfect. And A5 size. I can put account book, small books, nice, and A4 size. I can put papers, books, amazing. No matter you are boss, work, housewife, teacher, or students, you all deserve it. Welcome to choose MIFIA's products.